Hello everyone, and welcome to French Fried Trains. I don't have a lot of time to do a video today, so today we're going to be doing another road vehicle, and we're going to be building this smaller U-Haul van to go alongside our U-Haul truck that we built in a previous video. So just a quick little build for today. So this is what it looks like here. So let's get right into it. So we're going to start off on the front wheel, so take a block of coal and we'll place that down where you want the front wheel to be. On the inside of it, we're going to put a smooth stone slab on the upper hitbox, then another block of coal. On the front, 3 smooth quartz slabs on the upper hitbox, and on the back, we'll do 2 rows of 3 smooth quartz slabs. Then behind this, we're going to switch over to smooth stone slabs, still on this upper hitbox, and we're going to go 5 wide with it, coming out to each side, and we're going to turn it so it's a 5x5 in total of all smooth stone slabs. Then behind that, 3 smooth stone slabs in the middle and a block of coal on each side. Behind that, we're going to do 2 more rows of 5 smooth stone slabs on the upper hitbox. And at the very back, we'll do 5 iron trapdoors. Then we're going to go through and we're going to put a birch button on the side of all 4 of these wheels here, just like that. Then come up front, on this top middle put a single deep slate tile block. On the front of that put a mangrove sign. Then on either side of that a forward facing polished deep slate stair, and on the side of the stair here we're going to do a dark oak sign, and we're going to skip down to the bottom 2 lines of the sign, and we're going to put 2 full rows of hashtags on the bottom 2 rows here. And then we'll hit that with orange dye and a glow ink sac. Do the same thing on this side, so put a dark oak sign on the side of this stair. And same thing, we're going to skip to the bottom 2 rows of the sign, and we're going to put 2 full rows of hashtags on the bottom 2 lines here. And then we'll hit that with orange dye and a glow ink sac. Now come behind this and put a smooth quartz block in the center. Then a fence gate in the middle, and then a forward facing dark oak stair. Then a smooth quartz slab on the upper hitbox here and here. Then 2 smooth quartz blocks on each side like this. Across this we'll put 3 cyan stained glass blocks, then a stained glass pane on the back of each side. Then on top of the back we'll do 3 smooth quartz slabs, 3 white carpet in front of it. In front of the window 3 smooth quartz slabs, and then 3 white carpet on this front. Then right here we're going to put a lever and another brick fence above it. And same thing on this side, a lever and another brick fence. Now take smooth stone slabs in this corner and we're going to stack it up 4 blocks tall. Then come to this corner and we'll stack them up 4 blocks tall right here. Then we're going to come just in front of this iron trapdoor in this corner and stack them up 4 blocks tall again. And same thing on this side, stack it 4 blocks tall. Then we're going to come down here. We're going to put a single smooth stone slab on this top here and here. Then right here we're going to do 4 smooth quartz blocks, 1 here, and a smooth stone slab on this upper hitbox. Copy it on this side, so a smooth quartz here, 4 here, and a slab on this upper hitbox. Then we're going to come up on this next layer with glazed terracotta. Start at the back, we're going to put a light blue glazed terracotta, then a dark blue on each side. Then we'll do 2 smooth quartz, then an emerald block on each side, and then a smooth quartz. Then put a birch button on either side of these emerald blocks. Then a stone button on either side of the door up here. Then we're going to come in this front middle and do 2 rows of 3 smooth quartz right here, like that. Then we'll start on top of the back again. This time we're going to do 2 blue glazed terracotta on each side, and then 4 smooth red sandstone, 3 smooth red sandstone across here, and 4 right here. like that. Then we'll come on top of the front. We're going to put a smooth quartz on each side and a coal block in the middle. Then, up here, we're going to do a single smooth quartz on the front of each side, then 2 blocks of coal, and then 3 smooth quartz. Go back to smooth stone slabs up here, come 5 across the back up here, and we'll come right across the top of this side, back across the front, and back down this side. Then we're going to fill this whole top middle of the roof with smooth quartz slabs. Then we'll come in here, we're going to put 3 diorite walls across this top middle, 3 across the bottom middle. Then 2 rows of 3 prismarine walls in the center. Then on this bottom middle, we'll put a birch fence gate here. On either side of the bottom, put a glow item frame with a redstone block, then a mangrove button above each one. Then we're going to put an acacia button on each top corner. Then come around this edge and we'll put an acacia button on the bottom and the top of the slabs, and same thing at the front. Then come over here, put an acacia button on the top and bottom, and at the back like this. Then we're going to come up front and we're going to put a glow item frame on either of these stairs with a frog light in each one for the headlights. Now take an acacia sign, put 1 above this front wheel, come over here and 1 above this front wheel. Then grab a polished black stone button and come up here. We're going to put 2 right here. And same thing on the other side, put 2 right here. Then come up here, we'll put 2 up here, and then 2 on the top of this side. Then we're going to switch to a birch sign here, and across this layer of smooth quartz, we're going to put 4 birch signs right here, and 1 here. And then of course, we'll copy it over here. So we'll put a birch sign here, and then 4 birch signs across right here. Just like that. So there we have it, folks. We've completed our little mini U-Haul van in the smaller size than the bigger U-Haul truck we did before. I hope everyone enjoyed this little build. Like I said, I didn't have time to do a full train tutorial today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone, have a great week. Stay safe out there.